We're putting together a beehive that we got from Temu. It came broken. And I don't know if you can see, needs screwed there. It didn't come with any nails for the frames. It came with only screws for the boxes. The paper said it's supposed to come with nails. We did not get nails. The box was ripped apart and messed up, so maybe they fell out. Everything was here though. A few things were messed up. The top cover has a split of wood off of it. Right there. Glue that back on. And then the bottom board there is all messed up. But we recently got a different beehive from Amazon. It was a bee castle hive, and we had all these nails left over from the frames from those, so I just went and got those, and we're going to use as many of those as we can. We'll run out before we're done with all 20 frames, but we'll have a little bit for it. Then we'll have to get some more. Some of these have a lot of this patches of gunks of wax, and I don't know, there's a smell. There's definitely a strange smell to these. I hope they air out. I really don't know what the smell is. It's like, I don't know. I can't tell if it's kind of like a slight chemical smell or a slight mold smell. So that's a little strange. This first box went together very easy. It would fall apart if you pick it up. We haven't screwed it yet, but they weren't tough to get together, and so far on this first one. So we'll see on the rest. We're going to pre-drill all the holes. There was no pre-drilled holes in these ones. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're going to put in the screws.
With this really nice drill.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Bones is helping. Yes, he is. Oh, don't talk to him. Okay, there's one. we're going to put some screws in the top cover board here because it is falling apart pretty much. It's not the best looking. We decided to nail in the corners instead, and then all these little staples were almost half out, so I had to nail those in too. Here's the next box. See if it goes together real easy like the last one.
Make sure your handle's the same way.
Yeah, make sure the handles are the same direction. That's pretty good.
And there's a crack.
This box did not fit quite as flush as the other two so far. Those two nice and perfect, and this one you might not be able to really tell, but both these ends are just a little weird. It's not a big deal, but and this is focusing a little bit better. It is kind of like this choppy wood there a little bit, just not as pretty as the Bee Castle one we got last month. This one has some little chipped off pieces. We took out this was the broken, or the coming apart bottom board, and we took out the nails, and now we're just gonna put a couple of screws in there. Okay, we screwed the bottom board, just make sure. And side note, we're using this Opus 1800 solar battery. It was at 94%, and now it's at 92 after using the drill and screwing all of those and pre-drilling all the holes. So, okay, here it is. We got it all screwed together and it stacked really good. The top one was just barely a little weird, nothing to worry about really. And it has the entrance reducer and the queen excluder. Show it to you. I think that this queen excluder, I know some people don't like to use them, but for people that do, this one seemed actually better than the one that came with the Bee Castle beehive. It's very not very focusing, but it's very smooth and not, oh there we go, not sharp edges at all. So it's actually a lot better than the Bee Castle queen excluder. So, and then we did not get our nails, and we don't have enough of the other to do the frames, but it did come with the pre-waxed frame inserts here, but there's not very much on them, but it's the same as the Bee Castle one basically. But, and so we will have to go get more nails for those, so we'll just end our video here. But overall, it's pretty decent 10 frame with 2 deeps and 2 mediums, and the excluder and bottom board and top cover and the entrance reducer and all the frames and stuff. So, and from Temu for $161, I think. And the box was pretty roughed up when it showed up, but it mostly survived. Nothing we couldn't fix. So I can't remember what it was called. I will put that in the title. Anyway, okay. Bye.